Hello everybody, welcome back to Gringo University. El día de hoy vamos a ver cómo decir as if en español. We're going to learn how to say as if in Spanish. As if is typically translated as como si. Keep in mind that the verb tenses may change depending on the context and the verb being used. Most of the time, as if can be translated as como si. Let's see some examples so you will have a better understanding of this. She looked at me as if I were crazy. Me miró, this is the past tense of mirar, to look, and is the past tense, it has an accent, so you have to accentuate the last syllable. Me miró como si estuviera loco o loca. She looked at me as if I were crazy. Me miró, past tense, como si estuviera loco. Me miró como si estuviera loco. As if is como si estuviera loco. She looked at me as if I were crazy. Let's see some other example. Hablaban entre sí como si fueran viejos amigos. They spoke to each other as if they were old friends. As if they were old friends. Hablaban entre sí como si fueran viejos amigos. Ellos hablaban, I don't have to put ellos because it is implicit on the hablaban, which is the imperfect of the verb hablar. Hablaban entre sí. Entre sí means to each other or among them. Hablaban entre sí como si fueran viejos amigos, as if they were old friends. Hablaban entre sí como si fueran viejos amigos. Let's see other example. Parecía como si todo el mundo estuviera en mi contra. It seemed as if the whole world was against me. Parecía, it seemed. Parecía como si todo el mundo estuviera en mi contra. Parecía, as if, como si todo el mundo estuviera en mi contra. Let's see other example. The child screamed as if he had seen a ghost. El niño gritó. Gritó is the past tense of gritar, and he has a tilde in the last syllable, so you have to accentuate the last syllable. El niño gritó. I have some students, they will say, el niño gritó. That's not the proper way to pronounce this. If it is in the past tense and it has a tilde, you have to use it. El niño gritó. He yelled, he screamed, as if, como si, hubiera visto un fantasma. El niño gritó como si hubiera visto un fantasma. Fantasma is a ghost. Let's see another example. Ella le sonrió as if, como si tuviera un secreto. She smiled at him as if she had a secret. Ella le sonrió, past tense of sonreír, smile. Ella le sonrió as if, como si tuviera un secreto. Ella le sonrió como si tuviera un secreto. He laughed as if he had heard the funniest joke ever. Se rió as if, se rió como si hubiera escuchado el chiste más divertido de todos. Se rió is the past tense of reír, and you have to accentuate the last syllable. It's not se rió, it's se rió. Se rió como si hubiera escuchado el chiste más divertido de todos. It felt as if time had stopped for a moment. Se sentía como si el tiempo se hubiera detenido por un momento. Se sentía, this is the imperfect of to feel, se sentía como si, as if, como si el tiempo se hubiera detenido por un momento. Let's see another example. The dog barked at the stranger as if sensing danger. El perro ladró. This is the past tense of ladrar, to bark. El perro ladró al extraño, to the stranger, o at the stranger, como si, as if, percibiera el peligro. El perro ladró al extraño como si percibiera el peligro. Celebraron su victoria como si. They celebrated their victory as if they had won the lottery. Celebraron su victoria como si, as if. They celebrated their victory as if, como si hubieran ganado la lotería. Celebraron su victoria como si hubieran ganado la lotería. Actuaron como si fueran los dueños del lugar. They acted as if they owned the place. Actuaron, they acted, as if, como si fueran los dueños del lugar. Actuaron como si fueran los dueños del lugar. So most of the time we will translate as if in Spanish to como si. Make sure to repeat this video as many times as is possible so you will get the hang of it. Nos vemos en el próximo video de Gringo University. Espero les haya gustado. I hope you liked it. Por favor, compártalo con un amigo, con un enemigo. Please share it with a friend or an enemy. That will help me a lot. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.